This video will discuss using official EU data to select safe areas for organic honey production. Data checking is important before going organic, as it makes the transition less risky and helps avoid poor hive placement choices. Public EU datasets provide a realistic picture before investing money. In organic honey production, the foraging landscape within 3 kilometers of the hive matters most. Bees forage in a large radius, and landscapes differ even over short distances. Soil use, crops, and pesticide patterns shape the final honey quality. Copernicus's Careen land cover helps identify safer zones versus high-risk intensive blocks. Check if your 3-kilometer radius is mostly forest or monocrops, and avoid large continuous blocks of intensive cultivation. EFSA's 2023 monitoring shows that residue risk is not uniform across Europe, reinforcing that territory matters more than the label. Imported food has triple the probability of failing limits, and multiple residues are often found in samples. When selecting a site, you are placing bees inside a chemical landscape. The smartest approach is to analyze the area by looking at land use, crop clusters, supply chains, and origin signals to minimize risk. To operationalize this before investing, shortlist promising sites, but evaluate them using public data. Use Careen land cover and EFSA residue insights to rank candidates by structural risk, minimizing exposure potential. Organic certification involves an institutional reading of land use. The judgment can differ based on which control body audits the land, as interpretation and operationalization of compliance vary across EU countries. Official EU data, including land cover layers, residue patterns, origin signals, and control bodies, helps in reading the landscape before placing hives. Site selection as a data literacy exercise increases compliance, purity, and resilience. Organic honey production is a geostrategic choice. Exposure is spatial, and it is a function of place, flow, and co-residues. Territory first, the hive comes after. Thank you for your attention.